Meghalaya Sports Minister Shakliya Wajri has informed that state government is in talks with Bcci to transform the stadium at Madan Kurkalang in Bhoi district into a big cricket stadium as per national standards. Though it will take another 2 to 3 months to finalize everything, talking about the development of sports infrastructure in the state, he said the upgraded in-stadium sports complex in Shillong will be inaugurated in December. The renovated stadium would include a natural turf, ground for football and a state-of-the-art facility for hosting track and field events.
So it's not that we're looking only at football. We do have a plan in place for cricket as well, in many disciplines. We talk about swimming pool, we are planning for swimming pools, we're planning for tennis. So there are so many things that we're planning. So it's not entirely that our focus is only on football, but our focus is on sports as a whole. The progress is doing well. We actually intend December to inaugurate the stadium.
Unknown miscreants